Here we have a Husqvarna 268 chainsaw with a 20-inch bar and chain. Chain brake doesn't work. It just stays there, don't lock. And then we'll see what this does.